BodhiGold allows you to download the constituents of an index into its own directory. This means that you can study the companies that make up, for example, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the FTSE 100, and the S&P ASX 200, just to name a few. Naturally, you need to be a subscriber to the exchanges that these constituents trade on before you can download symbols into these groups. The exchanges BodhiGold has index groups for are the Australian Stock Exchange, the US exchanges, the London Stock Exchange, the Tokyo Stock Exchange, and Xetra Frankfurt. If you have EasyChart version 6, you don't have to worry about updating data into index groups, as EasyChart automatically does this for you, like so. I'll now show you how to select the Dow Jones Industrial as a group suitable for programs using Metastock format. This index includes codes from both the NASDAQ and New York stock exchanges. First, we need to make sure groups are activated. Open BodhiGold, click on the Configure button. Under Data Distribution, right-click over the word Metastock to display a selection box. Tick Groups if it is not already selected, then close the box. Next, click on Groups. In the Groups configuration window, select File, then Refresh to bring in the various groups to select from. Then in the drop-down box, select NASDAQ Exchange Consolidated Equity. This will display the groups available for this exchange. Put a tick in the box next to Dow Jones Industrial. As mentioned already, the Dow Jones Industrial contains symbols that trade over both the NASDAQ and New York exchanges, so we also need to select this group from the New York Stock Exchange. So, from the drop-down box, select New York Exchange Consolidated Equity, then tick the box next to Dow Jones Industrial. The path at the top of the screen will tell you the directory the Dow Jones Industrial Group will update to, which you can see here is C Drive Data Metastock Groups Dow Jones Industrial. If this is the only group you want to update, then just close the window. Go back to the home screen and click on Catch Up.